Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. I've made a small change to the bullish wave count here today, just because I find it a little bit more likely. So we have on the chart here the yellow bullish wave count as well as the white bearish wave count. We're going to talk about both. We talk about which levels need to break to confirm these two to get a clearer picture of what's actually going on. There is, first of all, the bearish wave count. It actually fits nicely into the picture here. Yeah, the white wave count where we say, okay, off this 10th of June low, we came up in a WXY structure, which we count as a wave 4. And we could get one more low in a wave 5. That is still fairly likely, given that the move of those 10th of June lows the move was just very corrective. And it was a three-wave move, or is a three-wave move. You can clearly see that on the chart. I just don't have any 5 waves. I can't even, not even in the messiest diagonal, I could really count 5 waves here. So that is a 3-wave move for me. So there are 2 possibilities. It could just be a WXY structure here, which would lead to a new low. That would get confirmed below 55.3 cents, not before, because I've made a change to the bullish count, which means that the bullish count is still a reasonable option as long as the 78.6 retracement level is holding. So as long as the 55.3 cent level is holding, I can also look at the yellow wave count and it has a decent likelihood. We cannot confirm that a lasting low has been established on the 10th of June in this trend reversal area until we have 5 waves up. So there is a bit more work to do. And if we get those 5, then we can look at a wave 3 pullback in a wave 2. That would be a high likelihood scenario, more or less high, depending on what the structure does, but certainly better than what we have now. At the moment, though, I still added a support area, even though I find likelihood low. Nevertheless, I will probably start to scale in here into this area because I did buy MATIC here. I took some profits on the way up here, so I'll probably buy back a little cheaper to get a little bit more MATIC. Yeah, and then we'll see, because the long-term chart is still decent, and as long as we are not breaking and sustaining below long-term support at 48 cents, I'm still okay with a little bit less of a, let's call it a bit of a questionable setup. Because what is the bullish count? Now, I've made a change looking at the subwaves. Find that a little bit more likely, even though it's a very strange one as well. It seems like MATIC likes high B waves. So in this count, I had a wave 1 top on the 22nd of June, a wave A to the downside in a wave 3, a wave A in a wave 2 pullback, then a high B wave, which explains the choppy nature of this move. And we could now come down in this C wave of a in this C wave of a wave 2. Now, support starts at 63.6 cents. Then we've got 61.1, 58.7, and 55.3 cents in a wave 2. Now, it's not the, it's not the best count, but that is just due to the chart. It's not the, let's call it, highest likelihood count, the yellow one. I still give it a chance. That's why I've got support on the chart. Also because it would be broadly in line with many other altcoins and Bitcoin. So it's going to be very interesting on the MATIC chart. Not much more to add, really. I mean, what we can do, we can take the Fibonacci extensions and we take the length of the A wave. We go to the high of a B wave, and then, well, what could be a possible target? Well, see, it has now bounced off the 1.618 extension, but we're not even in a likely retracement area. So the 2.618 extension is basically one that is also likely in an extended or expanded flat pattern. Not telling you it will definitely get there. In fact, this move down starts to get very long now. It's still holding very well, actually, overall. But yeah, let's see. I mean, if we get closer to this area, we'll probably start to scale in a bit. Not massively due to the risk, but overall there is just a small change in the wave count on the bullish chart. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.